Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the important currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, British Pound Japanese Yen, etc. So in this video, I'll be recommending few stocks for 4th March 2021, Thursday. So this analysis is for Thursday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay. So the first stock for today is Coca Cola. So and you can see on the screen that right now Coca Cola is trading at 49.98. Okay, and yesterday it has faced some resistance on the 50 moving average. Okay, so ultimately it had to come down. Okay, so there was a price rejection from above. On the day before yesterday also, it tried to grow up. So it tried to go up, it faced resistance, and ultimately it had to come down. Okay, for 2 consecutive days it has made shooting star kind of a pattern or an inverted hammer. So in that case, what you can do? So if you find a stock today trading below this level, 49.58 level, okay, then you can short the market. If you see that the stock is trading or has gone below 49.5 or 6 level, okay, and if you see that there is some selling pressure on the market, good selling pressure on the market, then you can short the market. Okay, so the next stock for the day is Mastercard. You can see that there, Mastercard has made a spinning top kind of a pattern, and spinning top kind of a pattern generally signifies that there is an indecision in the market. Okay, and you can see there is also a resistance on the daily chart at 366.51 level. So two important levels for the day are 366.5 on the upside and 355.3 on the downside. If you find a stock trading below 366.5, oh sorry, about trading above 366.5 level, you can go for buy. Just make sure that the stock is trading comfortably. There is good amount of volume. Okay, or let the stock trade for at least 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, let the resistance become the support. Then only initiate the buy order. Or on the other hand, if you find a stock trading below 355.3 level, and if you see that or spot some good selling pressure, you can short the market. So these two are the levels. So the third stock for the day is Microsoft. You see Microsoft has made a big red candle on a daily chart yesterday, and it has also crossed the daily, support that was on the daily chart. Okay, right now trading at 227.56. So today's call will be, if you find a stock trading below 227.5 level, and if you see that the yesterday's selling pressure is still present, you can short the market for a target of 224. Okay, two, short below 227.5 if the selling pressure is still available or there for a target of 224. So the next stock for today is Procter & Gamble PG. Okay. Overall, we can see that PG is in downtrend. So same as Microsoft, if you find a stock below 122.8, okay, if you find a stock below this level, you can short the stock for a target of 121.122. Okay, short the stock below this level for a target of 122. So the next stock for the day is NVDA. You can see that NVIDIA has made a big bearish candle yesterday, and before that also, or on day before yesterday also, it has made a big red candle. Same strategy, as the selling pressure is quite high here. So if you find a stock trading below 512 level, okay, if you find the stock is trading below the previous day's low, then you can short the stock for target of 500. Okay, this is your target if you short the stock, and you can short the stock below this level, below previous this low. Okay, and the last stock for the day is Intel Corporation. Intel, okay, you can see that Intel has somehow managed to close above the daily support, okay, at 60. Okay. Support is so what should be a strategy for a day? If you find a stock If you find a stock that it has opened gap down, okay, then you can short the stock. Wait for 30 minutes, at least 15-30 minutes, and see how the stock is reacting. If you see that the stock is unable to cross this line at 60, okay, then you can short the stock. Or if the stock opens above this line, then, and if it crosses the line or crosses the support, and if you see that the stock is under some heavy selling pressure, then you can short the stock below 59.9 level for the day. So this is the simple analysis and my recommendation for 4th March Thursday. So if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I always try to bring videos, and I do bring just before the market opens, so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Okay, thank you so much, and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.